Are you searching for the best glasses mixing bowls? You are the right place for getting the valuable information on the best glass mixing bowls. In this video, we will show you top rating and customers' comments and analysis of products, reviews and shortlisted the 4 best glass mixing bowls on the market in 2021. We made this list based on our personal opinion. After performing our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation and other related issues, and we rank them. No particular request or influence. If you want to buy the best glass mixing bowls, we think this list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Pyrex glass mixing bowl set. These glass mixing bowls are classic and borosilicate glass used in Pyrex has been used in kitchens. It is designed to be safe in your preheat oven, freezers, microwave and dishwasher. While glass can break when handled improperly, these are well made enough for everyday use of many years. Since the glass is non-porous and non-reactive, you can use it for maintaining foods, mixing cake batter, for serving delicate salad without worrying about the flavors or odors remaining. This set includes 1/4 bowls, 1.5 bowls and 1 2.5 bowls. The plain clear glass shows off your food nicely if you decide to use them for serving. Number 2. Mixing bowl set of 5 Wild One stainless steel nesting bowls. These stainless steel mixing bowls come in 0.63 quart, 1.5 quart, 2 quart, 3 quart and 5 quart sizes. They each have a higher lightweight design with a flat base covered in non-skid silicone. These bowls are dishwasher safe. The plastic lid and gutter attachment and should be hand washed. Every bowl comes with a lid, which means you can use them for food storage as well. The largest bowl has a removable disc in its lid that fits the included gutters. And unlike the other sets we have covered, these bowls have measurement making of their interiors. Number 3. 10 pieces tempered glass nesting mixing and prep bowl. This bowl made in a USA of durable tempered glass. 10 sizes accommodate a range of ingredients, suitable for hot and cold foods and microwavable. The simple design lets them pair with any dinnerware for table service and stackable for compact storage. You can never have too many bowls for prepping or combining ingredients. This set ingredients a full range of sizes, 10 in all, for holding everything from a few elements of saffron to all the ingredients for a cake. Perfectly simple in design, they are useful as serving pieces too. Number 4. OXO Good Grip 3 pieces stainless steel mixing bowl set. This bowl is manufactured with a full stainless steel interior. This is to make it more durable. The interior is scarce and stain resistant and do not absorb food odors. Included in the pack are the 3 mixing bowl of 1.5 quart, 3 quart and 5 quart, ideal to cover all your needs. However, the exterior is white colored plastic. While it has an aesthetic purpose, that is not all that's good. It protects your hand from heat in case you are mixing hot food. In line with their name, the Good Grips provides you with rounded edges and gives you a good grip while mixing. The base is as well non-skid and will sit in place even when titled. Designed to be the best mixing bowls for electric mixer, you can be sure that anything you throw into the Good Grips, it has the capacity to handle.